Evolus terrestrix, Kayani Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sa what the Noya Mabosina, and Munia dia Shetina 230 Herbam. We are Bema now no more, and Mama what this from Kuma would drown us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality, and Faunia Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Sa, Reda. Tina 230 Herba, a young conqueror, power to the people, Mitra 230. So our what feeling? How down, Meba? Kinaata 230 Herbal.
Yeah!
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofasa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.
Bedi akwe wuzi bina wuzita. Hey. Awa bema. Erie. Nyami bolo be. Hey. Yaji watu mu. Aha, enshirabetini. Media me sorry anopa me chim me fidie no. Eto J Ghana TV. J Ghana TV we stand for the truth. Eno na me ka hwe bi na be enshira. So what?
I'm here. This is my last point. Call your friends and share. There is a little man who sit on TV, and this little man sit on TV to denigrate people, to lie about people, to say things that are not true about especially men of God. He's a little man, and like I said, I don't want to mention his name to dignify him because he's like an ant before me physically and spiritually. I've weighed him. He's a little man. And those of you who are learned and exposed who have watched the movie Aladdin, if you have watched the movie Aladdin, you appreciate that in the movie Aladdin, there were a lot of characters, but there was this little man, this very, very little man. He was grown up, but he was a little man. He was grown up, but he had the capacity of a toddler. That is how that young man who sit on that TV station to talk about men of God, lie about them. That's how I see it because I've prayed about him. I've taken man to pray about him. He is little, extremely little. Even an ant is bigger than him. What is said in Tatia and in Bebe Elmeniso, physically and spiritually. Now, and then Mohon Monday be a office, ebe bomb pie because Tuesday be a more counseling. And now, before then, so for paying be a Utsibia, Diphobia Mutsibia, Michiamo, Asorimba Mutie Michiamo. And now all my fans, all my sons and daughters all over the world, Michiamo. There is a little man, Kikan, Samoya, no man, or your trophy, me who trophy be at the son here. And me by officer, Wabeja letter, or Wabeja letter from a law chamber say, me can want them say, or take a bribe. Say, your friend say, or take a bribe. Medina terms or a little man in tea. May retract within 2 weeks. And yes, sir, or the Mebako is it number one, 2 weeks no crowd the man no crowd say you are not confident. 2 weeks no the man crowd say you are still a little man. I was expecting that you come and bluff and proceed to court. Because I've been waiting that you take me to court. And see, I've not even said what I want to say. I've not even said what is in my heart about you. You this little man. You understand? You're a very little man. I just spited you, and you are behaving like a puppy. You are behaving like a puppy. You are a puppy before me, that little man. You are a puppy. Listen, again, my name is Prophet Nigel Gaisie. I've received your letter. Secretary, for letter Secretary, for letter I've received your letter. Secretary, for letter You again, I don't want to mention his name because he's a little man. I came today, and they gave me a letter that also say I should retract. He demand retraction and apology. You see, he's a little man. You understand? He's a little man. And 2 weeks, to give me 2 weeks to retract, I mean, you are not confident, you are not bold. And I think that you should know me by now that I'm not one of the coward people. I'm not a coward at all. You are a bribe taker. You take bribe. It's on tape. You take bribe. And you're a liar. You this little man, you're a liar. You sit on people who are live live television and you talk anyhow. You insult men of God. I mean, for the past 1 year, you have made me your agenda. Whatever you want from me, I don't know. whatever you want from me, Prophet Nigel Gaisie and my church, I don't know. And if somebody should take somebody to court, I have to take you to court. If you this little man, you will be called court. Media mundu munoma me na me honhom ye kese kra. Say you will be called court. I won't court kwanya. And say me Prophet Nigel, and I'm do call court. Because what's na sa TV station so I can set me a medra. What's na TV station so enya wo dia me at my age more TV station. At my age more TV station. Am I employing Crawford? What's your big TV station so I employ? Who makes me to your car? Oh, you have to say mbebe wo menim. Normally I'm educated, I'm very exposed, and Sunday and person me be we no. Mpanyimfo afrɛ me. Asɔfo mpanyimfo afrɛ me ameti omo. Me council of elders so afrɛ me anima kasa. Say minjao. Nti min kasa na me de bechow. But you see, I just spited you. What you use 6 weeks to lie about me on your TV station. I didn't mind you because it was election year, and I didn't mind because you were a little boy. You are little. You don't pay bills. Your little boys destroy great people. Little boys lie. You are a bribe taker. I said again, that little boy on that TV station, you are a bribe taker. And Honorable Kennedy Tom must be careful about you because ube tima koje bribe okra ama ya papa ni bibi. We a bribe taker. Uje bribe. I have you on tape. We have you on tape. What's not TV to chatro? What's just a cantamanto? Your friend say, we atadia na. Now be chatro. Prophet Nigel Kokaswa do. I don't even know the last time I called Kaswa. Look at my temporal office. Do I look like Obio Sankwasi Adienibi? You a liar. You that little boy. You a liar. And Netu and Honorable must be careful about that guy. But I have good news because me born home and enter a bepamon F in Netu. Oh yeah, Bema could be a TV station. So yeah, Bema, you got nerve, Mobrofono. If you have nerve, go be a TV station, next to your TV station bills. And one watch on the Bay Edgeman, Ube die at Trona Yauchan, Kwaku Annan, Ube die at Trona Yauchano. So I say, oh yeah, now we are not funeral. It's because it was election year. I'm not one of the cowards. Get it? I'm Prophet Nigel. I'm not one. Baby me fiba, baby me duno. Jesus ni nyame home and de medua. Ni baby me for me ba film. Ni pe na me nswade because abasa ni tumi na me kura no home na me kura no Jesus na de ma me what me try trust me call I went to T region ekoye conference ekoye crusade wo betena TV no so a ye papa kwana Japan TV no so be try trust makwaji aduro but wo de wo wi ofonsa no wa hwonsa wo de me de ma kakrebi I just spited you. I thought you were a man. You were a puppy. Do you know a puppy? You are not even a dog. When look for the meaning of puppy. And I thought you were landed because Obetina TV is whoa like an ambulance. You come, you run. I thought you were balanced in there. You are not balanced in there. Because if you are balanced in there, equity will tell you that he that goes to equity must go to equity with clean hands. Well, you sat on TV to defame me, lie about me, everything you said about me. More you so 6 weeks back and back, repeated sessions. I shut up. I didn't say anything because Nyamia Juman, oh yeah, I had to say Bola. Obia turn out the fear, not the good son. Would the Bishop Daka tell me you don't call courts? Would do your papa Adnasari tell me you don't call courts? What's our deal? What try to about for so Reverend or for Abraba Branson about Bobida. Who want to bush me and cow? Me will bush me were down for crank open. Me not simple. You a joke. You are a joke. Huh? Me a soon soon pow. Who done nam and die? Some mammy see no bush of 40 ma. Me a soon soon nipa. More over than nam and die. We rule the nights. And I did your man, I will soon. And na bibia no na betima ye bese me ma sorry because e rade na dia ma me Gamel professor of law catch some say brothers and sisters I deal with fear rade a wuntimi nse no so I say you are a little man so I don't want to even waste your time but I just came here to tear your letters what you sent to my I came here to tear it Kwaku Annan I came here to tear it I have no respect for it if you're a man proceed to court if you're a man go to court he that go to equity must go to equity with clients you sat on TV to denigrate me. But when I came to I just spited you. And like a dog, you came to vomit. You unim court. Obetina TV so me kuwe boni. Obetina TV so do you know the damages, the colossal monumental damages it cost me? My children in London, do you know the pain it cost them? Who your phone son no wa hwe onsa and na de o ma me catch us say jai na tu ye be pamo because honorable on me catch honorable say we kronfo you take bribe we have you on tape and now state place my evidence we have you on tape and in Zambia no one work out you have evidence all is your ESA because 1,500 now pay you a cheap man little man you a little man na nkola kro mo kra me mo saying men kola mpay for mo nyame chiam that little man on honorable Ken station one ready ya obegu honorable anim obegu nenim ase obi be kasa de na honorable one attack me attacking because me be akuapim ni and ya chem and me be nyame difo so te ase but ni abrantie no eye no one share ya obe ode ni guase bebre honorable Kennedy the pon he's a little man and again it all boils down to the fact that he doesn't pay bills. If you pay bills, if you are workers and it's 25, 27, 28, who bet you? Do you know the number of people I feed? You can sit on somebody's TV and denigrate me. And what do you make us say you a little man? Why run it to chamber? Me retracting my foot on a take me to court. Why? Retracting my foot. Until I'm about to say, and then you regardless of your provocation, I'll not mind you. Maybe you soon nipa. And I remember saw me antenna was so spiritual because what is that bebe woman? Ghana di for mon sorry. I saw from paying for what dear matem. Who dare you so be dear papa with Bishop Ajinasari atem? Who dare you so be the dag atem? Abrabo mabo abobi. Na me kra me yakola kra omu no. Abrabo me kwa na mabo abobi. Ma brabo ma bonu abobi sika me ho wi aso won bi da Ghana from pen for nyame nshram Kwaku Annan me spite just last week no I say what the make call you a little man say I should retract I retract not even over my dead body I'm waiting for you because now some me spite okay so be be pia ba e na o ba nti bra microphone na church o mudi won letter nkra me nipa na me nim omo na me mbo omudin Yom Yanseni, we a trofo, Sakuan, or ye trofo. Embasika no jeje. Embasika and ojeje. At your age, we a Juma Mobi, O Brage, I'm a top senior journalist. No could be on TV, no could be on radio. Nasa Oto, to see a doom sabay, Oto generator 2.5 billion, 1.5 billion. Na Oto fu Guma, what general a Juma. Wajre no ebeye adwuma Kwaku Annan na etu wajre no ebeye adwuma what the admit na TV no so almost one month 2 weeks e ka me won sama animu me de tell man kasa ba me say that spite on there wa ko tell letter we letter ni ye de ama me matitim do your worst nobody is above the law in Ghana and I mean yesu unima ko bisa PMP editors omo attack e di for na to omo Unima Kobisa, I'm a student of history. Nana and then I pass me bay or me back kagusono. And paying for framing, et to me for intimidate chow. Naminsa Unimian said to be some baby, you're a little man. Carbon crown of them, you're a little man. You are riding on honorable can and what from my brabo and abone pamon. At my age, no TV station and that's not my only investment. At my age. Without no can you are like an ant. And your papa can what is mbebe. And now my boy hope I may say a summer house was soon. Oh my me cancer goes to me manuma someone yet. Obi a Ghana have you seen Obi to me D4. What to make in somewhere any muguya so a good hoofing. But when you me deal with Tanko to web, I me saw I na me test so pulse. I thought you had balls. I thought you had balls, but you are not a man. You are not a man. So come again. O let any name matiti me secretary na dia mama. Hey, media mom peke man matitimu. Matitimu. What me sna TV so din crofo atem. E tran trotto almost we are not behind the door. Oh, Nigel no so be ma me sika meja ne ha. No Charlie Kasa no beba, me man na account, no on fantumu. Me ma we kele wele ni banku. Krasi ni bema. For facha me, say makasa say that. But sometimes obi ejimia, Ecclesiastes 10:3 or say kwasia na ma, oye na dem obi so kwasia. That boy is a little boy. And like I said, net two, mention here because obe gumanumase. Obe gumanumase. Oh no, I wait for what bobrao. Me what bobra no until me boo pa because there was a time Christian Methodist. That was the first time in home, and I loved you, and me, I'm a very loyal person. Which me papa, and I'm a me training, me mama nuntia opening. But that boy there, or say where Jumano, and then your more cano, now come from the yen correct, and tell you myself. There be a Prophet Nigel Gaisie do what dream and your papa. What dream and your papa. And I'm say one co school because who co school let them cry a lot of mistakes. If you went to school like I went to school, it will tell you to write well. David, the letter you brought grammatical and linguistics mistake. We are you little boy. You are little boy. What Juma? Inti we are hiding under honorable Canadian pong. Not because the man has clouds oh now I saw funny be almost so oh young farmer no come on, I'm not one of them. I'm just not one of them. And the more you talk about me, the more I become popular. The more you talk about me, a lot of people are in my church because of what you people did. But they want to come and see the guy that they are talking about. This is my temporal office. Hey, Lord, no. Where me camera back see me so crowd needs to calculate me there Toby. Me not play the kotoe. What you are talking about character assassination. What to me dini party trotting paso. What you refi? You use 6 weeks to denigrate me and lie about me. Say me cool and defend, which is not true. I have not had any direct contact with that lady. Say me cool ebony. Nyansani ben na oho no beti maka say me Prophet Nigel me cool ebony. But what the okay ya there? Now what the ori on phone sana ya me moja no yellow green yellow. Little man who has not achieved anything. And you are a failure, Kwaku Annan. You are a failure. At your age, you are a failure. If I were to be you, I'll resign from Netu tomorrow. If you are a man, I dare you, little man, to resign from Netu and open a company. Now, what you have bills are, and what you know, a juma. What you have bills? Your papa can upon the chia oka. Into what you know, your papa, you on the ticket of somebody, so you are misbehaving anyhow. See, I'm 1,005. Aya bejina kodi krasini yen guasini ojimba en abrochire from basika obi anso sa branch you know or yet say embebe or he's an ant. Now shouldn't let me provoke my spiritual antennas on him. The radiate senin panyfo ma frame ne me de to us me no maybe can one some no o ma to me for me you a joke. You a joke. You take bribe. When I have you on tape, you take bribe. You are corrupt. The very things you would sit on TV to say, you are worse. You are worse. You are worse. Please, you a joke. See, Obi out here, maybe I'm sorry, and maybe I will say, Prophet Nigel who said that Fachame. You do baby and so ta upon Chenia or the war. Until anything I'm a buyer. Why? Or Mobra, or Bobra, and Konya ni Oyeno. So I say, me my Bobra. And I may cost so I may bobra. And see, me who will be a bobra is all number Kajan point. Or attacking me cramming fino. Because Emrani da yen castle. Nobody has ever been in. Nobody. Emrani da. And a Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 was seen a nipa begun obetra. Metie, me go abapa metra. On social me go abapa obetra. And I mean from me mama non slap peninda. But some branch o chatro. See me be dia soft one penny for atem. Are you kidding me? Now, Reverend Sankwanchakra, the tallest okra unya entity. Kaben on them. You're a little man. You were a little man. That little man on the two. O chatro gumeso. O chatro gumeso. So now book and a boy baby. Announcing handed in a and man cassa me mammy frame me. Leave me here any bow. Me mammy. But do you know the damage it cost my mom? Somebody has stroke because of your rubbish and your lies. Somebody closer to me when you were lying about me has stroke. I don't cry me the child, my phone call. But me by last week, I call your friend and say, Angel FM. I can't say you a little man there. What the letter about say, me retract it. You don't you think I'm one of the cowards, eh? Me jinya me show be our man we mo. Me show be our man we mo. and I mean inside my hands are clean. Min dio bi ka, min kofo bi yere, min kofo bi mpra, and then draw, and I'm used to. And yami to me was spirits. Nyamiama me to me. Zechariah 4 verses. Or says not by mind or my power, but by the Spirit of God. Me so ye bema resign. I dare you Kwaku Annan. Oh ye bema resign from there too. Nako be a juma. I respect you. But so far as I would obey to your Canadian, you are not. When we are talking about the leg of men, you are not. You are a little boy. You are a boy. You don't pay bills. Honorable, your papa the two. You are a boy. We pay bills. So we don't lie about people. You know, we don't lie. You a baby. You a baby. You a puppy. You a puppy. You a puppy. So what the letter about say, men retract it. Lord, Munchama me. Matiti letter anymore. 2 weeks. You are not confident. I thought so the mommy wait 3 hours and man retract here to make a court because I want to meet you in court. I have all the things you've said about me in my TV station where your friend says storage on a high drive. And I was waiting for a time to hit you and strike you. So don't hold back. So bring it. And don't forget that me soon nipa. Me ye kana mano. Me film in color na papa chema dom. Obi bi oni mi bi himself. Ejuma we me color film in color na me ye. Enye na me start ye ejuma. Ghana difo bi ahwem bia me chiao. Ghana difo hina me chiamo. Me chiamo na ye papa bi shasalifu me chiao. Papa mpenfo hina mo o man me chiamo. But me mama tia say bibi koso o man ma. By mpenfo say he that go to equity must go with clean hands. But one say if you so to one odidi atem. Na me what Bishop Dage abrabo wa branch wa bobida. Na me kura abrabo ma bono wa bobida. Baby am de me na me no asi owi aso wa order. We a joke. Nti be fo nyankopon hram. Nyame eyam kese. Nyame ndombo am. My children in abroad, do you know the damage it caused them in their schools? They are in Liverpool. They go to school in Liverpool. Do you know the damage? Do you know how their colleagues were laughing at them? But they are before a little boy. You a joke. Oyakola. Come again, Kwaku Annan. Little boy, come again. Me say my boy umpire. What to say, mbebe? You are like an ant. Bambo be a crane so. Bambo bi me who say sum ebeto e sum spiritual me hu ye me bo ho mpa e to ma me tie wa tie me ye difo ye ne ye difo don't joke with prophet o prophet a watete aprokra no bibi so men for ye ndia onima ko bisa PMP for where PMP today onima go and ask Choice FM nya wo ye no nkrofo aba o ma ye worse than that it didn't crash and collapse the church so for paying bedi ko bi me chia Asafo bofo mi chia, my spiritual father apostle KOFI every year mo kwe papa mi chia. Bishop Adnasai mi chia, Archbishop mi chia. Ye papa Otabel mi chia. Reverend Dr. Ampia KOFI mi chia. Nankopon Shramo, you are one of your icons. Money your inspiration. Ye ntena ho. E ma kwala kotua we mfam anim betwitwi fam. Abrabo be no abo. Ono asase kra watobida. Say I have a private investigation. You go check kra oboa. Truth what to say. Me before I speak, na me na gina bibi so. Me ntiro din na ye fabra. Before I make kwabena mekasa no, na me nan egina bibi so. Nti I'm spiting you. Me cheche what to say koto a woni bo me chewa ba. But onim nyan sentiment so do o do ba be shem. Say expose. What is expose? Bible say me si masafo. Na sama dopon ade ye enye Yesu ankafi ensam ade we me catch say enye Jesus a na me enye Jesus anka me ye de Ghana kam ti abroche kra bom abrabo I joking I enter the phone bi obetena TV no so hyehyɛ sa Ghana ya oje your friend say o force one second say we your friend say e o kantama to tears oba no last Wednesday o te say me master ti didi wata no bo so de ne ka kotua ho ka emba na wagigi o musika no kotua mo ka fami court me ba o me pesa me no share court say call retract or apology. You think I'm one of the cowards? Are you kidding me? Me manu ma say me gina wo ti men fa ho mba na two for me bom pae mama. Me bomb pie mama mo ye good people am one there too. Sa kwabena kwachi no ye good ɔhene ba deɛ bɛn deɛ respectfully nana nyame nhyira mo silver lady no nyame nhyira mo saa guy no he is a brat the black goat among you people obe gu madwuma no ogu manum ase hyɛnhyɛn kwa wo ni hwe oni toro abrabɔ bɛ no abo little boy nyame nhyira mo nyame ndombo am nti mawie your friend Prophet Nigel Gaisie and then first they hear me me the human founder of one of the fastest growing church in Ghana. I'm one of the refined sharpest prophets of our time. At some of our counseling. Oh, Sabra, a radio family Saswa here. Prophet 1, Nyamishrao, O4, Papa. A D4 mo Kumasi Asantfoni Namitiamo. Nyankupo in Sram, Nyamendombuamo. Monfa kukudro embo Yesudin. Monfa kukudro any Nyamia Juma. Tear me. Obien Timi Gunyamia Juma. Me catch on the credit. Say radin kwa na frewa and the calling of God is of the protection bishop samosu nyamishraw nyankopon inshraw fa kokodro ye adwuma no obiantimi and obiantimi na me say and you a lie why do you lie like that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You think I'm one of the cheap guys out there? Na me kwa be me life is just house and radio. Just house and radio. Nobody sees me. Nobody sees me. I'm very scarce. I'm a quality guy. I'm a very, very quality guy. Me a very quality guy. I doubt if you went to university because who can university and what you know Juma? Little man. Obi be your power 724. Say a D for your fire someone comes. Obi be your finally before I go. Obi be your power 724. Say young fire someone the church of God. So nobody has won. Nobody has ever won, not even Martin Luther. You can't win against the church. You can't win against men that carry spirit. Ye krahum me krahum. Me that me hum with me PF me mu. We are kola o meniso. We are mbebe o meniso. What is that and 30 o meniso. O da no wada. O da no wada. What in nyame ne da? What who angels da? Ye ne hum de die sie. We are kola kra o meniso. Ene nyame abe me. To me bi ntimi jese nyame. To me bi ntimi this is nyame. Wa hwe me nyame hira. Opa watch na bra me prophesy me ma wa ba me boy Yesu di obi nyeba. Wo yade ya bra. Da bia hwe me bia nyame hira. Oba panyin nyame hira. Mpanfo am hwe me nanwure. Wa obenya video we bia hwe bia share. Na yema Ghana hu sane abrantie no. Mame ngege. Me baby say name we ye say. Now nyame hira. Wo ye balance. Sa necessity here. Me ba madam for Captain Smart nyame hira. Sa necessity here. Why do you lie? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh no, okay, I want to brabo you. You are not coming. You are not badding flower. Flower no crown do ya. You are badding. Oh, you be a juma. Oh, sell more juma. Are you kidding me? You are a little man. Think deep about that. So I have movie with that. Kogogo, Nahe, Aladdin. There was a certain little man in it. That's how you are. No one but not near what the content no young color. What the medicine TV so dimatem. It charming so far, as so far me. Make the man for one cockot. Miss Python Kakrebi the other make cockot. I am now the Makoi. Ever never minko. Almost offer me Mukazi and I say. As of offer me going. Secretary offer me going. Court, unum court. Uskasa na where color crown. Nyamisa, Sofo Kennedy, Nyankopon Isha. Nti omano ebekoye. Ohima Kofi Esiama. Okwa broche me bompa okwa broche. Friend say, unfa sika kakra ma ya sene sika wasi ni ndi. Nti Sofo bia wo hwe me bia mebo din sesi a Nyankopon Isha dan obawa Emile Nkroma. Emila, Nyamisa I love you. Emila yepa friend me. Oza Bishop wana. Bishop obi ni papa Nyamisa, akra Nyamisa. Different in a Bishop Sapo Nyankopon Isha. Yanya baako. Yemobi, this is a little boy. What mean say nyame adwuma? Usa. Anani na mame doko ma be yo nkra. Ye mame doko. Unim ni o ma be ya asofo nkra. Na ye mame no wen. Wasia ni nyansa. You can't fight the spirits. You can't. You are too late. You are little. Me bo ompa na radical term say you are little boy yenja. And the radia se ne mpanyimfo ma frame me to me for. So ti ase. Wo ye bema baby out no. We no disrespect to the Islamic community. mosque no ho na wote no fi honom na betina better area with no disrespect to the Islamic community but what say your bema you see when men are talking you are a little boy you are a puppy you are not yet in a lake in a community of men you are not yet there you are a boy you are a little boy you pay somebody pays your bills and all the home better to you a joke. What is that ministry? I don't go near the ministry. When I'm saying you can sit on TV and call us whatever, and you turn around see your mouse you can do. You are a little boy. But my me power summer on 2 for was a deep for the eden ye nyankupo ni wow or deep for what it's your program ye nyankupo ni dua. I can Bible say I have the evidence. Evidence go nyanwe. Evidence. Oh yeah, today I'm daring you little boy. Little boy. So you bema. 2 feet baby out no. And now you bema. It's not by 12 midday. I dare you to resign from net 2 on the seashore or respectfully resign. One kasa ye we juma. What journal? A bay juma. Honorable Kenneth Nyamisha. Nebani Kenneth and a friend saying Kenneth Mompamuno. Mimi a chief executive officer. So they say, so what I'm going to say, Mom Pamona, or the bribe, or your truth war. Say, Prophet Nigel, if you have any evidence, I don't have your time, you're a joke, you're a little boy. Also say, he claims to take off 2 children and 3 other children. You're a joke. You take off 2 children and 3 other children, you're ranting on radio and TV. I have a scholarship scheme. Do you know the number of people I take off? At my age. I know that physically you are even older than me. When we show a pen per month, say a papua pen per muna, you are older than me. Nyansa. So they are here. Yeah, na Bonuma, there's venom in our matter. But yeah, you share no maybe in paying for more bang, paying for one more mine, mama bobra. I'm so deep for Jacolano. We are cola women so. We are cola. We are kete cry and bebe women so cry. We are bema me say excellent by 12. Resign from net 2. Mebu. Onokra mebu kakre because I feel as I pay property, I rent, I pay office, nessa no man. You a joke. You don't say brabo easy. You be Honorable Kennedy. You think it's easy? What's now on Michael? Because Mike, you know, Lord, Sam Michael for your friend is saying, more friend is saying, La pair of crown to be that. I can nyansa. Shall know about Kenneth now. Once last of me number wa brochures and me won say wakoto obi ku baby bre won ono papa ne ba na won say ondi atem no me bi endi na chi o sansan bi endi wachi wo sansan di wachi abusuafo uhia deliverance sansan spiritual me bo ho pai no nkonso di wachi na no me awato agu ho de o ma me ese otufo pa last we a joke. You are a little boy. Praise God. You're a little boy. For the first time, may I dear my Lord Christ supporting me. He should tell you, say, Yenya bro, me, I'm not one of the cowards who, because nya ube come from who be an enya kre. Menju obi kun, menye gay, menju obi yere, men obi no man. Obe tell him to show us, or say obi say, okay, tell him to show us his business certificate number. Okay, when it's okay, yes, if you're a man. Tell us when your sister tell him to come out and show us his business certificate and number. But tell your TIN number. Honorable Kennedy point, man. There be an area on a mete. Me fear back or red junction. There be an program at Betram. Yehu BMW say if you have it, show it. Car phone be out them. Car phone them, but and that's all for we are quite also, who can we are no quite so pesica. Yami home mobile. What's it? On Santana, men can be supposedly in Santana once. And I want to put it Crystal penalty. And I use a fear soon and fear so. I am not afraid. Bishop Adnan and my doctors. Oh, you a baby. Oh, you're a baby. You're a little boy. That's who you are. The whole Ghana should now call you little boy. But you're a little man. You're a little man. Net 2 Kenneth. MD, Mompamono, Obeguman Massio, Mompamono. Honorable Ken, or the means say, Pamano, me born on prime, number permanent. On or the Bible, a branch or the bribe for which me show ma honorable me bomb pa mamo and I say me show honorable me show but oh yeah me papa and I say na me ntimi ndi me papa te me ndi watem so te ase me ndi watem because nia wo ye ni na abrante no and na ma false information but one who me da bon say Nigel on say me your bat say Kenneth wait ma wo me ne Kenneth the same age I'm told our cameraman back me ne na na wo Legon city campus so te ase abraboy boy bona anka abrante anka wa radio station anka ya promo free hot FM no we are kete no anka unko different place the men say nipa men can ya unim hey I have an expo on Prophet Nigel Gaisie. What are you kidding me? O program no ya share na per content enye yen so enye me so and na monja the program no hwe monhwe other stations monhwe other programs on net too yes by could be about altitude monhwe on because the program entro program Nyame sure man ministry is about boldness and truth Nyame sure man no efia eyiwa Nyame sure so no media channel and media chow you're a little man and I'll not even reply you again I'll not if you're a man let's meet at the court I'm ready to meet you so Nyame sure man no Nyame hu mobo so for be a share me mo fa kokodro nya adwuma no akola no pese untimi fa Nyame adwuma mba fam this a choice FM Fifi SFM ni omo ya asofo ni omo ya difo ekopi omo sen obi ene won modern nsate Nyame asafo ewie ne yie enti wabusiafo no ma metia ontufo na ja tro na wutwa no se like nyankopon sha sofo bi ahwe me bia makasa ma Nyame sha that does not mean say we'll hide under the pulpit to do what is wrong. No, may God forbid. I'm not endorsing illegality. I'm not endorsing say the church or people should hide under the pulpit to do what is wrong. But what a guy is saying are not true, especially about me. But sometimes the things he said, even in my wildest imagination, even if I wasn't a prophet, I would not even do it. Let alone elevated and an esteemed man of God of my stature. Are you kidding me? Get a life, little boy. Nobody told you to be a colossal failure. Nobody told you to be a monumental failure. Kukwana, you're a failure. Your mates are building. Your mates are owning enterprises and businesses, and they are paying people. You're a failure. Me no one come to me sabe gumeti mo. Market. You're a failure. You were a damn failure. Anita Sena say, boss, you promise not to talk about the little man in quiz. Okay, sir, I hear you. Okay, sir, fana. One of my papa, Mate, I hear you. Me papa bakwakasa. Me da chow. Into honorable Nyamisha, MPP phone na Nyamisha, NDC phone na Nyamisha, or money na Nyamisha. It's not my council kesepa. And the body of Christ, mo mama bemu embu. The body of Christ, your church leaders no. In some be bromo ka form yehwa enyampa. Nyamisha nyamendomboa. So I'll see you. I'm going. Me boss akasa into okasa na ono ano no nti nyankopon enyam etie me say obi antimi nse nyame adwuma ho nyam this ade na mfi Jesus if Jesus aboa again ma eno a mo ba me book lunch honorable Anita DeSoso Ebi Bright honorable Dorcas honorable Free Yankra the businessmen and women that came on her excellency the permanent UN representative from Ghana to I thank you, Honorable Her Excellency Molly Enim Ado. Mama, we love you, we honor you, thank you. All of you who couldn't make it, but you wish to be here, we love you, we thank you. So, you can get my book, my first book, Let the Fire Fall. You can get a Yohua Bishop. Hey, Kokwana, Brahmi employee, my Juma Mbako, one of my investors, Brahmi employee. Why? Well, I doubt say journalists be a be 7,000, 8,000, until now, just bribe now. You tape no, and not tape no. When I make a bribe, you're a bribe taker. Into Nyankopon shall. Why a lucky say me papa no or kasa means me kabinti. Wa ba internet or see me kasa. Nyame shall.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Saw the Nuya Mabosina, and Munia Dia Shetina 230 album. We are Bema now no more. And Mama what this room come out down us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and a vitality. And Fawunia Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Sound Reda. Tina 230 Heba, a young conqueror. Power to the people, Mitchell 230. So our what feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofasa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.